Hi, my name is Harika. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a recent master's graduate. I have enrolled in Qspiders Punjagutta in software testing course. Here I have gained experience in manual, automation, API, Java and SQL. And manual was taught by Hemant sir, Java was taught by Prem sir, Selenium was taught by Malini ma'am, and SQL was taught by Karishma ma'am, and API was taught by Hemant sir. So here they have provided me opportunities starting from starting of the month where I have joined, in which month I have joined. And on manual they have given me requirements on SQL on Java also. So when I went to interview, like when I got rejected, I have noted down the weak points where I got rejected. So those points I have discussed with the sirs and ma'am. They also helped me in overcome their points and which helped me in the next interview.